Introduction. In this part of the module, we are going to learn a very practical way to build awareness from the inside out. Sometimes, when the body feels tight or stressed, it is actually hard to relax just by telling yourself to calm down. A helpful method is to first gently tighten a muscle, notice that feeling, and then let it go. This works because the body becomes easier to understand when you can feel the contrast between tension and relaxation. When you tighten a muscle on purpose and then release it, the relaxed state becomes more clear. You begin to notice, oh, this is what letting go feels like. This is an important mindfulness skill. Before we can relax well, we often need to notice where we are holding stress. In the next slide, we will go step by step through a guided practice that helps you do exactly that with different parts of the body. Guided practice. Now let us move into the actual exercise. The goal here is not to strain your body, but to bring careful attention to it. For each muscle group, you will gently tense the muscles for 5 seconds and then release for 10 seconds. During the release, pay close attention to what changes. Notice whether the muscles feel softer, warmer, lighter, or more at ease. We will move through the body in a simple sequence. First, the feet. Curl or tighten them gently, hold for 5 seconds, and then let go. Next, the legs. Tighten them, hold, and release. Then move to the hands by making fists, followed by the arms. After that, lift or tighten the shoulders, hold, and let them drop. Then gently tighten the face, perhaps by squeezing the eyes or jaw lightly, and release. Finally, notice the whole body together. See if there is an overall sense of settling or softening. As you do this, remember that mindfulness is not about performing perfectly. It is about observing honestly. Some parts of your body may relax quickly, while others may still feel tight. That is completely normal. The important thing is that you are learning to listen closely to your body. In the next slide, we will look at why this practice works and what science tells us about relaxation. Science Spotlight. So why does this practice help? When your muscles begin to relax, the brain receives signals from the body that say, in a sense, things are okay, you are safe right now. These signals can help shift the body out of a stress response and toward a calmer state. This is one of the important ideas in mindfulness and body awareness. The brain and body are always communicating. Stress is not only something you think, it is also something you feel physically. In the same way, calmness is not only a mental idea, it is also a physical experience. When your body softens, your nervous system can begin to recover. Your breathing may become easier. Your heart rate may slow down. Your mind may feel less busy. That is why a simple exercise with muscles can have such a powerful effect on mood and focus. Now that you understand the science behind it, the next question is, when can you actually use this in daily life? The following slide gives some of the best times to practice it. Best times to use. This technique is especially useful during moments when the body tends to hold extra tension. One good time is before sleeping. If your mind is active and your body feels restless, this exercise can help you settle down. It is also helpful after sports or physical activity. Even when exercise is healthy, muscles can stay tight afterward. This method can help the body shift from effort into recovery. During stressful days, this practice can act like a reset button. If you notice that your shoulders are tight, your jaw is clenched, or your hands feel tense, taking a few minutes to relax the muscles can lower that physical stress. Before exams, it can be especially useful because test stress often shows up in the body. The same is true after long study sessions, when your body may feel stiff and your mind may feel overloaded. A short round of tension and release can help you feel more refreshed and steady. These examples show that relaxation is not only for special situations. It is a skill you can use in everyday life. In the final slide, we will bring all of this together into one main idea. Key takeaway. The most important idea to remember is this: learning to relax is just as important as learning to focus. Many students think mindfulness is only about paying attention or concentrating better. but real attention works best when the body is not carrying unnecessary tension. When you learn how to relax on purpose, you become better at noticing stress early, responding in a healthy way, and helping your mind and body return to balance. That is a powerful skill for school, sports, sleep, and daily life. So as we close this section, remember that awareness is not only about what is happening in your thoughts. It is also about what is happening in your muscles, your breath, and your physical state. The more you learn to listen to your body, the better you will understand how to care for your mind.